You thought you were done with me, but here I am live again. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. It's almost kickoff time, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Super excited. Cannot wait. 15 minutes to go for Talk is Cheap. Let's create. Now, you might remember me from such broadcasts as The Hustler's Guide to Sales and Marketing, or perhaps Right Voice for You. Well, this class is going to be fast-paced, hands-on, pragmatic applications of the Right Voice for You tools from Access Consciousness, the specialty of Access Consciousness that I facilitate. And we're starting now for tonight and tomorrow night, 3 hours of just us hands-on using these tools. Bring something that you want to pitch, that you want to promote, that you want to create. It's not just about pitching and promoting. Some of you might want to come on and sing. You might want to dance. And it's not about fixing that or making you better at it, but giving you the freedom to just choose it. My computer is dinging and dinging. Everything's happening. So we did last night a hot seat facilitation with 5 or 6 different people. We got them up one at a time and worked them through different things, whether it was promoting or we had one wonderful woman sing, and just showed after working together in a short period of time how much change is possible to create. These are phenomenal tools. They've changed my life, and I can't say enough. It isn't about teaching you how to do things right or pointing out places where you're not doing them properly. It's not a technique that you're going to learn. It's about cultivating so much allowance, vulnerability, and gratitude for you that you stop trying to cultivate an image that you show everybody and just show them you. Hello, Yuko. Yuko is excited. I think Yuko is one of the people that just messaged me and joined. It is not too late. It is the perfect time to start for all my last minute friends and relatives out there who love waiting until just the nick of time. Now is the time that everyone's joining. I love it. In the last 10, 20 minutes, this class has doubled in size of people coming to join us. So I just wanted to shout out one last minute invitation to you all out there. I'm going to put up on the screen for you. See, there we go, mrchristopherhughes.com. That's my website. You guys are all free to come and join me. And if you go to the events tab on the website and scroll down to Talk is Cheap, Let's Create, you'll see now's the time. Hope to see you soon. Bye, everybody.